Hello dear. Welcome back to Miss Sonia's class. Good to have you. Today I'm going to teach you making the phonic sound of letter A to letter K. And we are going to associate them with their corresponding objects. Now I want you to get prepared. Letter A. Letter A. Letter B. Letter B. Letter K. Letter K. Letter D. Letter D. Letter E. Letter E. Letter F. Letter F. Letter G. Letter G. Letter H. Letter H. I hope you are still there. Good. Letter E. Letter E. Letter J. Letter J. Letter K. Letter K. Now let's associate them with their corresponding objects. A as in arrow. B as in banana. B as in banana. K as in cup. K as in cup. D as in dog. D as in dog. E as in elephant. E as in elephant. F as in fruits. F as in fruits. G as in gun. G as in gun. H as in house. H as in house. I as in insect. I as in insect. J as in jug. J as in jug. K as in kite. K as in kite. All right, I'm sure you have learned a lot today. Awesome! Don't forget to attempt your quiz and do your assignment. See you in our next class. Goodbye, love.